Hi friends, today I want to show you this new smartwatch. Let me show you. It's a pink. I think that is beautiful. I love pink. These straps feel resistant, like resistant plastic. The screen looks beautiful. It's all touch and have this control in this part too. The size is perfect. Let me put it. It's easy to put and easy to use too. So look, I think that looks beautiful. You can use it with another accessories and have so many functions that help you in your daily life. Can you help to monitor your fitness life, your steps, your calories? And in the menu, you can see here, you can put it with your Alexa. You can put your fitness work, your heart monitor. You can monitor your stress, your sleep, your breath. You can check the weather. You can control your menstruation period, and you can use the music and the camera with this smartwatch because you can connect it with your smartphone. It's so compatible with iOS and Android, and you can use the function to find your watch too. I think that is great. I don't know if I tell you, but you can adjust the strap right here, and it's so easy as you can see because I just do it. So I think that the size of the screen is perfect for the for your eyes. Have this lantern here. You can see the battery. You can see the clock. You can use the functions so easy. So I highly recommend this. So another thing that I love about this smartwatch is that you can use the app. Very Fit is the name of the app. You can vinculated with your smartwatch, and in this app you can see all your goals of your fitness life. You can make your avatar. You can see your calories or your sleep time of your exercise, and you can see all the functions of your smartwatch. Look, um, steps, sleep, calories, oxygen, stress, and you can put your goals here, and so your app and your smartwatch will you reminder if you need to get a better activities. That's great, and that's so helpful in your fitness life. So go for your smartwatch because I highly recommend it. See you.